Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can add video transitions in CapCut PC. So you are just going to select your video and you have to split it if you only have one video like this. So I'm just going to be splitting these clips like so, and then here, and then maybe like another one here, and I'm just going to delete the rest. Then I'm going to select the part here and then select like the part where the video is like split. Go to transitions and add in just any video transition you want. I'm just going to add this one, this bubble blur one. You can also adjust the duration here, and then here I'm going to add in a snow video transition, and then here I'm going to add in like this mix one. Oops. There you go. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!